Hey traders, good afternoon and welcome to the Missed Trade Daily Report. Hope everybody had a great day in the markets. We had some incredible range today again. Looks like 40 points today, and there's a lot of great opportunities. So hopefully everybody ended up green today. Let's take a look at some levels here. We have some interesting things setting up. First of all, if you noticed, looking at a 30-minute chart, let's go down to a 10-minute chart. It doesn't show very well. Let's go to 30-minute. You notice we've been going back and forth in this zone right here. This is when really good opportunities set up, guys. We have this zone between 53 and 18. Okay, we know that if we break up above one of these two, we're going to go probably meet the next target, and that's what we have these levels as targets, and it worked perfectly today. So let's take a look at this. We went down, ran down in the morning down to the 11:18 area. Now we didn't quite get down there this time. We stopped at the 11:20-25 area and then found support, and then rallied up above that. Okay, now once we got above the 53, it was off to the races all the way to the 63 area, which we talked about that level the past few days. Now we didn't quite get to the 63s. We're at the 1160.75s, but we did close on the highs today. We ended up closing settlement as 1158.50, so that would probably clue us in that there may be some more buying in here, and the bulls are coming back in. So where do we look from here? Well, if we get above the 63.75s, let's look for the 1177 area to the 1180 area. That is a zone up there. Watch that area for targets. Now, in between the 1163.75 and that 77 area, we have a stop at 1167.50 area. That is an old low from past weeks. So we'll anticipate that to stop the market briefly and let some people off the bus there on the way up. Now, if we were to get really strong tomorrow, get above the 1180 area, I have 1189.50 area. There's a gap up there and a couple other things as well. Now, down below, let's say we get weak, we start trading back into this 1153 area. What kind of targets that we have? Well, first of all, we have down below for the market delta traders, we have the 1131.75 area. In between that, we have a weekly pivot at 1149. Well, almost 1150 even, let's call it. It'd be a lot easier to figure. Now, we get below the 1131.75s. Our 18s are in order. I tell you, we've been down there 3 times. I am really shocked that we did not break that through. So that would tell us that maybe they're going to start buying this thing for a little while, and we'll see some more upside and some areas we need to hit, and especially some gaps that we need to fill. Okay, below the 18 level, the 1118 area, again, 1095 is there, but there will be probably a brief stop at the 1110 area. Below the 1195.93 area, we do have the 1077.75 area. So that should give you some great levels to work off tomorrow. Guys, watch the market. It is still volatile in there. We are expecting still more volatility. Tomorrow's news, we have in the morning durable goods at 8:30 a.m. We have FHFA house price index at 10 a.m. and of course the petroleum report at 10:30 a.m. Those are all Eastern Standard Times. Make sure you have them on your calendar. Otherwise, guys, tomorrow I'll be putting my first video out for trade plan, so be on the watch for that. Trade well tomorrow, and we'll talk to you then. Take care.